Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the latest version script of Invest Pro investment website. Now if you also want to make your own Hype investment website, then you are on the right video. In this video I am here with the new script of investment website, which is Invest Pro. So in this video I am gonna give you the complete overview of this website, and at the end we will completely make this website from scratch on our hosting. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and it is gonna be the complete tutorial on this website and how you can make this website, and it will cover all these aspects. First of all, you can look at its subdomain. It is installed on my subdomain over here, so I'm giving you the demo on my subdomain. So we will cover everything in this video, so I just request all of you to like the video, subscribe to our channel and watch this video till the end. And viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and you can buy this script. Or if you want us to completely build the website for you, we will build that as well, and we will provide you complete support if you buy from us. Here is our channel. You can see that if you need any type of investment website, any type of trading website, PTC website, mining website, or power bank websites, all type of websites are available. You can see it over here, and if you need any type of website, you can just let us know and we will build that for you. So you will find all type of websites over here. AI trading website, lottery websites, and power bank websites are available. Casino websites are available. Order grabbing are available, and you can just explore our channel if you need any type of website. And also do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Viewers, we'll just close this, and now let's start our video and let's explore this website and what features you will get in this Hype investment website. So first of all, you can look at its amazing homepage. This logo, this text, everything is changeable from admin panel. Here is about us section, so you can add about your website from admin panel. So here there are some instructions how you can open account and you can get profit, and these are some other services terms, how you can add funds to your account. Here you can calculate your profit according to your plan from here, so you can choose your plan and you can calculate your profit according to your plan. Here are the latest transaction sections. Here is a referral section, so you can set this referral things from admin panel, and you can list your client testimonials. Here is a plan section, so here are the packages on the website, so user can invest in these packages from here. So just click on buy now and user can buy these packages. There are two type of packages: fixed packages where there are fixed amount to invest, and ROE based, like the minimum maximum range packages. So you can see them over here: deposit, ROE, capital, return back, and user will get profit for how many days. So each and everything is here, so user can see this, and you can list these packages from admin panel, which means that you don't need to worry about anything. And here are the blog section. You can also insert blogs from admin panel. And viewers, this website is completely in mobile app view, like it's completely mobile friendly, so it will work on mobile as well. Here is about us section, so user wanna visit them separately, user can visit these pages separately as well. So this is the about us section. Here is a services section, news section, and contact section. So user can visit all of these pages separately as well. Here's a contact page. You can list your contact details from admin panel. And language is also changeable. Currently there is only one language, but we can change the language from admin panel. Here is a login section, so we'll go to login page. So viewers, this is the login page from where user can enter its email or password in order to log in. If user don't have an account, user can go to don't have an account, and here user can create its account. So now let's create our account. So here we'll enter our name. Here you have to enter your email. After entering your email, enter your password. Here you have to enter your confirm password. Click on register and your account will be created. So you can use two-factor authentication like email verifications on it as well. So currently email verifications are off from admin panel, but you can use them. First of all, you can look at its amazing user dashboard of this website. First of all, user can see its referral link and user can copy this referral link, so user can refer different user using this link. Here user can see all its earning balance, current balance, total earnings, total withdrawals, this month earning, this month deposit, this month withdrawal, and here user can see pending withdrawal, transfer total funds, and the total month transfers. So user can see all his fund details over here. So let me show you how it looks like in mobile view. So this is a very amazing thing over here. So user can easily use this in mobile view. So it's completely a mobile friendly website, so everything is in mobile view. So this was the user panel. Here user can go to its wallet and create multiple wallets over here, and user can transfer its wallet through funds to one wallet to another. So here currently there is only one wallet, BTC wallet, and user can send and receive funds as well through its wallet. It's like crypto send receive website as well. So Hyip investment plus banking channel website like this. Here if user want to deposit money, user can deposit money on the website from deposit. So here we have to enter the deposit amount. Here you can choose any of the gateway in order to deposit money. So there are many automatic payment gateways are available. Now if you want to use the manual gateway, you can create any of your country gateway from admin panel. So you can choose the gateway and you can deposit money using all of these gateways. Here user can see all its deposit logs on the website. Here is the investment plan section. So if we want to invest in any plan, just click on buy now and you can easily put the amount and buy this plan. Invest your money in these plans. So you can see your all investment logs. Currently we haven't invested any plan, so there is no investment log. Here you can see all your referral tree over here. So referral tree will come here. Here you can see you can transfer your funds from one account to another. So you can transfer a balance from one account to another. It's like this. And here you can see all transaction log, and it is a min crypto option, so you can use this to buy BTC or any other crypto. So here's a withdrawal section, so user can withdraw its funds. So you can withdraw your funds using any of the bank or any other channel. So these are the gateways created from admin panel. You can change these details as well, and you can use any of the withdrawal method. Just select the withdrawal method from here in which you want to withdraw, enter the amount you want to withdraw and click preview, and you can withdraw your amount. Here you can change your profile details, you can set verify your KYC, you can contact the support, you can turn on 2FA, and this is a logout option. So now viewers, this was all about the user panel of this website. Now I'm gonna log out, and viewers, now we will go to our hosting H panel. So now we will go to our admin panel, and after that we will install the script on our hosting. So first of all, now let's explore the admin panel. So in order to go to admin panel, we will type /admin, and it will redirect us to the admin login page. So viewers, this is the amazing admin login page from where we will log into our admin panel of this website. So here we have to enter our email, and here we have to enter our password in order to log into admin. Click on login, and we can log in successfully to the admin panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel. You can see the site is completely newly created and has a very amazing admin panel from where we can completely control this website from this admin panel. So viewers, first of all, here you can see the total users on the website, total active user, banned user, total joined users. Here you can see total investments on the website, total deposits, profit, withdrawals, everything will be shown to here to the admin on the dashboard. Here admin can be the notification. Here admin can turn on off dark mode from here, so it has a very amazing look in dark mode as well. Here admin can change its profile settings or details. Here admin can search anything if admin wanna search. Now here is the KYC form management. So admin can create the KYC form like national identity card, driving license. So form you can create for KYC for users from here. Here you can assign multiple roles to your employees like manager, employee, and so they can manage the website from here. Here you can see all the user list over here for your employees. Here is initial coin offering, so you can set up different coins for file transfer. As I told you, you can transfer one coin from one account to another. So here you can set that coin. So currently it's BTC, but you can set any of the coin you want. Here is a plan. So if you want to add plan on the website by filling the simple details, you can easily add a new plan. Here is a management folder, so you can manage all the plans on the website. So you can see all the plans that are on your website from here. You can delete them, you can edit them, or if you want to add new, just click here and fill the plan name, choose the type ROE fixed. Here you can set capital back, not profit, return type, and you can easily make the plan from here. So it's very simple to and easy to make the plan. Here is a referral section, so you can set up multiple levels of referral, level 1, level 2, level 3, or up to so many levels you want. Here you can add as many as levels you want. So you can add this referral commission from here. Here you can see all the transaction log on your website. Here in all users, you can manage all the users on the website. Currently there is only one user, as you can see that site is newly created. So you can manage this user from here. You can add or subtract balance to this user account from here. So you can add money or you can deduct money from here. So here you can add or deduct money to this user account, and you can send them message as well. Here you can send them email, you can verify their details, you can set their gender or change their details, and you can update them. So it completely depends on you how you manage user. You can see all active, banned, KYC pending, and KYC logs of different users. Here is a gateway section, so you can see all those gateways are here. So PayPal, these are all the automatic gateways: Stripe, Instamojo, Skrill, Paytm, Flutterwave, FastPay, PayFast, and these gateways are available. Now if you wanna add a new gateway, click on add gateway, and by filling this image, name of the gateway, you can add EasyPaisa, JazzCash, Paytm, whatever manual gateway you wanna add. By filling these simple details, you can easily add a new gateway on your website. So it's very simple and easy to make the gateway on the website. Here when user will request a deposit, the request will come here, and you can approve that request or reject that. Here you can see the accepted deposit, rejected deposit logs of on the website. Here is a withdrawal methods, same like deposit. You can see there are different withdrawal methods already there. Now you can edit them or inactive them or close them as well. So you can make them inactive from here. Click on update and you can make them inactive, and you can easily click on add new, and you can add your own withdrawal method like EasyPaisa, JazzCash, Paytm, RoserPay, whatever withdrawal method you want to add, you can easily add it from here. So it's very simple. You can add any of the withdrawal method. From pending withdraw, same like deposit, you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of different users. You can see withdrawal logs. Here is support ticket. So when a user will request a support ticket, the ticket will come here, and you can communicate with user using this support tickets. Here is themes. So you can see different themes on the website, so you can change these themes as well. So these are the new themes, and these are different themes on the website. Now if you want to use any of the templates, you can easily use them. So currently we are using the gold black template. Here is the settings option. So from settings, you can change the name of website, you can change the currency. You can use this website in any of your local currency. So currency is easily changeable. And color code, you want to change color on the website, you can change the colors as well. Pagination, and here you can set up different percentage, balance transfer charges, customer support emails, contact number, location, minimum maximum transfer, bonus amount, like you can give user a registration bonus, and different things are here like email verification. You can on them from here. Joining bonus, you can on off it from here, and you can turn on off profit on different holidays as well from here. So it completely depends on you. So here is our email settings. You can set up the email template and control from here. You can insert multiple languages on the website. Currently there is only one language, which is English. Now if you want to add new language, just click on add new, enter the name of language and code of the language, and your language will be inserted. So you can use this website in Hindi, Urdu, or any other language you want to use. You can also insert reCAPTCHAs over here and social login with like Facebook, Google login with this. Here is a logo and favicon. So if you want to change the logo of this website, just click on this and upload your own logo. You can change the icon logo from here. So it's very simple to change logo. Viewers, if you want to purchase this website, complete website, or if you want to purchase only script from us, you can contact us and we will provide you complete support with it if you purchase it from us. So you don't need to worry about anything. Here's a breadcrumb. So you can change the home page breadcrumb from here. You can change the title, you can change the text over here, images, whatever is on the home page is changeable. So you can change everything on the from here. So each and everything is changeable. So here you can add multiple menus in the home page. Here is a web interface. So here is a about us section. So if you want to edit the about section, so you can edit the about and its images, text, whatever is on the about page, you can change it. So similarly, services pages, all these pages are changeable. You can delete them, insert new things on the website or pages. So everything is changeable. You can manage the complete website from here. So each and every section is editable. Here is a blog page. So now if you want to manage the blogs or if you want to add new blogs on the website, you can add them from here. So these are all the old blogs. You can delete them and you can easily click on add new and you can insert a new blog to your website. Viewers, in this video I guided you about each and everything related to this website and script. Now if you want to purchase this website, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will build this site for you. Now viewers, in last we will completely make this website on our hosting, and let's go and let's build the complete website from scratch. So viewers, now to install this Invest Pro latest version script, what we have to do is, first of all, you all must have to log into your HPanel or cPanel hosting that you are using. So viewers, if you don't want to do all this process, we will do by complete hosting domain for you. You can contact us and we can build the complete website for you. Now if you already have domain and hosting and you have bought script from us, now what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager. After going to file manager, it will redirect you to your public HTML folder. So here you can see there is a public HTML folder, so you have to go inside this folder and we will install currently this script on our subdomain. So we'll go to this subdomain over here and you can see I have already uploaded the script. Now what you have to do is you have to click on here and you have to upload the script file, and after uploadation it will appear same like this. Now what you have to do is you have to just right click on it and you have to extract all the files of the script into our root directory. So we must have to move all the files to root directory. Click on extract and all the files are extracted successfully. Here you can see there is a project folder. Now you have to go inside this folder and you have to just copy all the files, move all the files into our root directory of our subdomain. So all the files are moved successfully. After moving all the files, you have to delete a website script from here. So I'm just deleting the script. So script has deleted successfully. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your subdomain. So here, or main domain on which you are installing. If you are installing it on main domain, you have to type the name of your main domain. So currently I am installing it on my subdomain. Now just click on it and here you can see it is showing us the 500 error. So here we have to type /install in order to install it. Now installer has appeared over here. Viewers, now we have to enter our all SQL details here in this section in order to install this script. So the question is, where do we get these database details? Now in order to create the database, you have to go to your Hostinger dashboard over here in this section. When you scroll a bit here, you can see the database section. You will go to management folder over here. In management, from here we will just create our database and its user. So we'll create database with name InvestPro. Here you can give any username you want. Currently I am giving the same username. It would be easy for us to just copy and paste. Here enter your password, click on create, and your database will be created. So viewers, database has created successfully. So we will just copy the name of our database and we will go to installer. Here you can see we have to put our database name here. So this is our database name. After entering database name, enter your host. Currently I'm using the local host, so it's local host. Here enter your database username. Here you have to enter your password. After entering all these details, when you click on install now, it will install your script. Keep in mind all of these extensions must be enabled in order to install this, so then you can install it. So click on install now and you can see that our website has installed successfully and its installation was very easy. Just click on go to website and you will go to website. Now our website has created successfully. As you can see that this is on our subdomain and I have successfully created the website. So you can see that it's completely newly created website over here and it's a very amazing look. I have already guided you about each and everything before in the video. So viewers, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, Do like our video, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to buy this website script, or if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, and we will build what you want.